Nithyananda everyone. Yes. So now the next instrument which we are going to be learning now is the ghatam. So ghatam is the pot instrument, pot percussion instrument, and it is one of the most ancient instrument of our time, and it is the most ancient instrument, percussion instrument, and it's basically a clay pot with a narrow mouth on top of it, means a hollow space, and in some cases a little bit of brass and copper is added while making the pot itself. So basically there is not much difference in making the instrument pot and the normal clay pot which is being used for filling water or other uses. And although it looks as same as the normal clay pot, but specifically for the purpose of playing it as an instrument, specifically special clay pots are made for playing the instrument. Suppose normal pots you generally don't add any of those little bit of brass and copper, but in this you add little bit of copper fillings and brass fillings. So while making the clay pot itself, these things are also added, and that's how this ghatam instrument is made. And especially in Manamadurai, a place near Madurai, this one is very famous. All those pots, all those ghatam instrument which comes from that place, Manamadurai, is something special because of it is said that because of the mud which is found in that place, it gives a nice high pitch and nice tune while hitting the instrument. So now that's all about it. I'll be just showing you all how to hit the ghatam. So basically you see, right, different place gives different sound. So here it gives a different sound, and here it gives a different sound. So you basically take both of your hands and keep it comfortably on the pot. You just see here, right, these fingers. We just split the fingers for almost all the hitting instruments like this. We just take the fingers like this, split it like this. One is the three fingers joined and the index finger kept separately. Okay, so basically these both are kept separate and these three fingers are kept separate. That is the same case with the left hand also. So I just take it like this. Example, I'll just play you guys some tune and show you guys. So that's how you play this ghatam. So thank you all for watching. Thank you, Nithyanandam.